6 useful rules for prepositions and how to use them. These rules will help you understand and use prepositions correctly. Rules of prepositions. Rule number 1. A preposition must have an object. A preposition is not a preposition unless it goes with a related noun or a pronoun that is the object of the preposition. Like, he is in the kitchen. You may come in. There was a car before me. Ram has never seen it before. We will catch up after the class. They called soon after. Rule number 2. It must be placed before, as the name says, preposition. Preposition. It comes after something. Generally, but not always, a preposition goes before a noun or a pronoun. First, I put the things in the box. Rule number 3. The pronoun should be in object form following the preposition. The noun or pronoun following a preposition forms always a prepositional object. If a pronoun is following a preposition, it should be in the objective form, me, her, them, and not the subjective form like I, she, they, etc. The gift was from them. The secret is between him and her. Rule number 4. Avoid like when a verb is involved. The preposition like, which means similar to, should be followed by a noun, pronoun or noun phrase as an object of the preposition. A subject or a verb should not follow the preposition like. Correct? She looks like her mother. In the incorrect sentences, she looks like her mother does. Rule number 5. Does not confuse preposition to with infinitive to. To is an infinitive participle, to sing, to dance, as well as a preposition to, like to me, to Delhi. To as a preposition. I am used to swimming. I look forward to seeing you, not see you. Rule number 6. Some words that look like verbs follow the preposition to. A verb cannot be an object of a preposition. I like to swim. These goggles are for swimming. Rule number 7. Do not confuse the preposition in and into. This rule of preposition says use into to express motion towards something and reserve the preposition in when you want to indicate a location. See the examples for clarity. I swam in the pool. Look in the drawer of the table. The kitten jumped into the well. He drove into the city.